Have you ever asked yourself the following when using Suno? You create a song, and the result is often relatively random. Sometimes it is 2 minutes long, sometimes 4 minutes, so you don't really seem to have any control. With the replace section function, however, you do have control. You can fine-tune, shorten, and lengthen your music, just like a music professional. Interested in how it works? I'll show you how in 6 steps, and at the end you'll hear the result, so stay tuned. So let's get started. Go to the Suno.com website. The first thing you need are the lyrics for the lyrics section. The style of music is also important for a result if it is not to be purely random. But how do I get these 2 specifications if I'm not entirely familiar with them? First, think of a piece of music that you like. Then head over to ChatGPT and ask for help. In my case, the question was, do you know the animation series Arcane? Please help me to create appropriate song lyrics. I would like to create a similar composition inspired by cyberpunk. Please write me the lyrics. ChatGPT was, as always, very helpful. The answer was short but precise. Of course I can. The result are these 6 verses with the title, Shadows Rising. However, as my video project only spans 40 seconds, the lyrics had to be shortened considerably. The result is this short form, which I then added to the lyrics section of Suno.com. I was also a bit lost at first with style of music. Should I use future bass, sleep, or something else from Suno's suggestions? That's why the dialogue with ChatGPT went into a second round. Please define the style of music a little more precisely. The result was a list of different genres. I also copied this and pasted it into the style of music section. As you can see, Suno allows you to mix different styles. However, according to my experience, make sure that the first entry is given the most weight. For example, if you want to have a female voice, enter it right at the beginning. In my case, it reads female vocal. Then I clicked on create. And that was the result. Let's have a quick listen.
I hear the whispers in my head.
That sounds very cool. The song is 2 minutes and 28 seconds long. Unfortunately, I'd set the lyrics to 40 seconds at the beginning, which is why the lyrics are now repeated continuously. Then I remembered that ChatGPT had created much longer song lyrics. But how can I adjust them afterwards? You might have guessed it already. The replace section function now comes into play. Select a song of your choice and click on the 3 dots on the far right. This will open a drop-down menu in which you can select the Replace section under Edit. Once you have done this, a new dashboard will open. On the left, you will find the current lyrics. To the right, you will see the entry for the styles of music, and below that, a field where you can exclude styles. The song lyrics correspond to the shortened 40-second version that I've copied from ChatGPT. Due to the longer music track, these are now being repeated, of course. At the bottom, you will notice this white frame. With this frame, I can select exactly the area that I want to modify. The selected sequence will also be highlighted in the song lyrics. What is also very well done with Suno, the coloured markings show the exact assignment of the individual sequences. Verse 1, for example, is coloured orange, the chorus purple. What I don't like, of course, is that the text is constantly repeated. That's why I then marked the area I wanted to modify. You can see the selected text here in the top left. I then went back to ChatGPT and took parts from the first longer song lyrics and simply copied them into Suno at the desired position. If you then click on Generate Replacement, a new section of the music is created while retaining the rhythm and the previously chosen styles. Really very exciting and intuitive. There are other great functions. One of them is called Extend. If you click on it, Suno gives you the option of extending your song. This is documented in the overview below. On the left is the original part, in the middle the section that we've changed in the first phase with Replace section. And on the far right is the add-on, if you will, to give the song a fitting instrumental ending. As you can see above, you can also use crop or fade out. This gives you more tools to refine and individualize your masterpiece. But now, as promised, my full version of the song. Have fun listening to it.
I hear the whispers in my head, telling me to rise instead. They built me up just to watch me fall. Now I stand above them all. No chains, no fear, no turning back. I light the fire, watch it crack. I was lost in the dark, now the shadows rise. Burning bright like 1,000 lights. Try to break me, tear me down, but I'm the one who wears the crown. A kingdom built on broken dreams, golden dust but nothing gleams. They push and pull but I stand tall. I hear the call, I take it all. Chains, no fear, no turning back. I light the fire, watch it crack. I won't kneel, I won't fade. Turn to dust, but I won't break. If this world wants me to drown, let 'em watch me take the crown. No chains, no fear, no turning back. I light the fire, watch it crack. No chains, no fear, no turning back. I light the fire, watch it crack. I was lost in the dark, now the shadows rise. Burning bright like 1,000 lights. Try to break me, tear me down, but I'm the one who wears the crown.
You're left with nothing but amazement. The music creation via Suno is really absolutely impressive. The user guidance with very clear functions is very simple. I can only motivate you. Get started and have a lot of fun with your own compositions. It's really great. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for listening. See you soon. Your channel, AI, Now You Know.